Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word glad hand in depth. First, the definition. Glad hand means to greet someone warmly, often with insincere cheerfulness or flattery. Think of it simply as giving a very friendly handshake or greeting, sometimes just for show. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Glad hand traces back to a gesture of shaking hands warmly and was first recorded in the early 20th century. Over time, it's been used by politicians, salespeople, and others who want to appear very friendly. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use glad hand in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The politician tried to glad hand the crowd to gain their support before the election. Correct example 2. She made a point to glad hand every guest arriving at the party. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to glad hand my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using glad hand correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Glad hand means to greet someone warmly, often insincerely. It comes from a warm handshake gesture first recorded in the early 20th century, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with glad hand down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.